How to add money to Cash App. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add some cash or money to your Cash App. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Cash App, and then you're going to have to find the balance icon at the bottom left corner. If you don't have any balance, it will show you your bank icon. So head over to the Money tab, and then you have several options here: your savings, Bitcoin, stock, taxes, and many more. Right below your balance, you have an option to add cash, so go ahead and tap on it. And once you've tapped on your cash, you will find a prompt where you have predefined money, or if you don't want if you don't want to choose from any of these options, you can choose manually or enter the custom amount by tapping on the three dots. So let's say if I just want to go ahead and add $12 to my account, I'm just going to go ahead and type in 12 here and then tap on add. Now the final step is to actually link a card from your bank. It could be your debit card, credit card, or any other cards from your bank. Just enter the card number, its expiration date, 3-digit CVV, and finally the zip code of your account. After doing that, tap on link card, and you should be able to add money to your Cash App with this card. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.